myself Prakash Sadve. Today I am going to teach you 7th class subject Civics lesson number first, Introduction to our Constitution. Students, you saw last year or previous year many reasons why rules are necessary in our lives. The norms and rules are very important in the family, our school, our village or city is carried out smoothly. Similarly, the administration of our country is very important. It carried out through rules of systems. Now, who make those rules? Is it binding on us to follow them? All these question answers we will get in this lesson. The meaning of Constitution. The book in which all provisions are regarding the administration of a country is mentioned together in is called a constitution. The rules are regarding family, school, village or city are limited in nature, but the rules or provisions about the administration of a country are much wider in scope. Government is established by the representatives elected by the people. It is bound to carry out the administration of our country as per the provisions of the Constitution. The rules and provisions in the Constitution are the basis of fundamental law of the land. While making laws, the government of is bound to follow the Constitution. Provisions in the Constitution. The provisions in the Constitution are about different things. For example, citizenship, the right of citizens, the relationship between citizens and the state subjects between citizens. Background to the making of the Constitution. The process of the making of the Indian Constitution started in 1940. A committee was established to prepare the Constitution of Independent India. It came to be known as the Constituent Assembly. Dear student, now we want to learn a next point, Constituent Assembly. India became independent on August 1947. Before that, the British ruled over India. They had divided India into provinces. Take like Bombay, Bengal, and Madras for the convenience of the administration. Therefore, the representative of the provinces and the Princely states were included in the Constituent Assembly. There were total of 299 members in the Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. Contribution of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. He had studied in depth the constitution of the different countries and that of the world he studied. He studied and contemplated day and night to draft our constitution. The draft considered by prepared Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It was discussed article by article. Many amendments suggested by different members. All question answers solved by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar handled the difficult task of presenting the draft. Due to his contribution, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Constituent Assembly enacted the Constitution and adopted it on 26 November 1949. Therefore, 26 November is observed as Constitution Day. The country began to govern according to the provisions of the Constitution from the 26th January 1950. The Indian Republic came in existence from the day. Therefore, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. So, dear student, in this way we learn the lesson, the introduction to our Constitution. So, we will meet in next lesson. Thank you very much.